hard being Native American on a set featuring Native Americans. Bye. Decolonized. Colonized. Because that's what cinema is about when you're Native American. Doing a story about Native Americans is that we represent all Native Americans. Hey, you got an Indian name? No. No? No. You want one? No. We need to normalize man nipples being out in the public. Nips.
For public education.
My people will be free. This is Lakota land. I didn't do nothing wrong but stand for my people.